Today's video we are going to be looking at my December's empties. We have a bit to go through, so let's get started. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video we are going to be looking at my December's beauty empties. I have not done this video in a long time, quite a few months now. I moved house in, was it June? May? June? Something like that. And I stopped doing it because obviously when I moved, had a lot on my plate and I never started it back up. But yes, starting from now, we are going to be doing it every month. That is the plan in any way. So yes, we are going to be going through these bad boys here. I'm going to change the angle of the camera because as I get these out of my basket, I'm going to pop them on here. And then we can actually see what is what, and I'll give my quick view and thoughts on each product as we go through. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well, it'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Right, I'm going to pull things out of my basket here. I'm not going to pull them out in any particular order. So yes, I'm just literally going to go for it. So the first product we have that I've used up is this. It is a heat protecting spray from Schwarzkopf. From product one, and I can't talk. This is going to be an interesting video. Yeah, I've used this a few times and really enjoyed it, and will definitely purchase again. Next we have is this. It is eye mask, and it is by Grace and Stella, and it's Everything is Better in Pink. Collagen boosting eye mask, very pleasant. Yeah, quite enjoyed them. Love a good eye mask, would definitely use again. Next we have this. This is a dry shampoo by the brand Baptiste, and yeah, it's the tropical and bold pink pineapple. Smells absolutely gorgeous. Definitely not the best shampoo I've ever had in the world. The best one I've ever had is the Living Proof one, which is absolutely amazing. This one is okay for a pinch. You can feel it in your hair, you can feel that there's something there, and you have to be careful with dark hair because you can see a residue. But yeah, like I say, it's all right at a pinch. We have this. This is by the brand Garnier. It is from their organic range, and it is their Rosy Glow 3-in-1 Youth Cream. It has taken me ages to use this up. This is very heavily rose scented. I don't mind a rose scent, but this is strong. That's why it's taken me so long to use up. It's okay. I probably won't use again if I've got a product by Rodial. This is their Dragon's Blood Cleansing Water. I've literally just got one of these. Was it this month or beginning of last? So glad because it replaces this one. Really enjoyed using this. I love Rodial as a brand. I would love to try loads and loads of other of their products, but yeah, really like this. Can definitely recommend. I've got hair oil. It is by Sunny Isle, and it is their Jamaican black castor oil, root repair growth oil. Really, it's really grubby and disgusting, I do apologise. Really enjoyed using this, would definitely use it again. Love using castor oil in my hair. Yeah, really like it. We have a foundation here. It is by the brand Maybelline, and it is their Fit Me foundation in the shade 105. I've actually done a review on this. I will link the video just there. Click that and you will see my thoughts on it. Next we have something by the brand Sleek. It is their brow highlighter and brow sculpt thing. It's okay. This, you had a weird little bit on the end of it. I had to cut that off because I couldn't use it with it on. There's still product left in here. I don't know. It didn't agree with me. There's still product here as well for the brow highlighter. Wasn't for me. If you like it, that is great, but No. I have a perfume. This is by Elizabeth Arden. It's called Sunflowers. This is my normal everyday perfume. It has been for a long time. The scent is obviously floral. It's not too strong, it's not overpowering, but the scent, it sticks, it stays all day, which I love with the perfume. I hate it where it just disappears after an hour or two. But yeah, it's really affordable, and as I say, it's for me in any way, it's great as a normal everyday perfume. We have this. It's by the brand Hum, which sounds awful, and there were 6 little gummies in here, and you're supposed to take 2 gummies daily. There's 20 calories in a gummy, and basically, yeah, it's glow, sweet glow, skin hydration for ultimate glow. There wasn't enough in here to see if it worked or not, but they tasted nice. Next we have this. It is by Wild Mint, and this is the Youth Boost Multivitamin Refining Serum. This has taken such a long time to use. Oh my god, it is so nice on the skin. I've actually done a video. I had a skincare set of this that was gifted to me by the brand. I will link the video just there. Head on over and have a look, and you'll see what other bits that was in the set as well. Next we have something by Collection, and it is their makeup fixing spray. This is the matte one. I've had loads of these in the past, and I'll definitely continue to keep buying them because they're so affordable, and for me, I feel like they work for me, so why not? I like to stick to what I know works, so yeah. I have a hydrating face mist. It's called Refresher by the brand Skin Proud. This is basically, you can spray it on your bare skin if you want. You can spray it on top of makeup. I quite like, because I've got combination skin, sometimes I'm oily, sometimes I'm dry, sometimes I'm patchy with it, but on the days where I feel dry, even when I've got my makeup on, I'll just spray it, and it kind of refreshes my makeup and my skin at the same time. It took a while to use, but yeah, it was pleasant enough to use. I have started using my pillow mist sprays. I have so many of them, and I'm finally got to the end of one. So this is by the brand Feather and Down, and it is Sweet Dreams pillow spray. I actually really enjoyed it. It was nice just to spray on my pillow. I do have trouble sleeping more often than not, and it's just nice to try and calm the senses, even if I'm not gonna fall asleep and I get quite agitated because I don't. It helps relax and gives you something else to concentrate on. We have this. It is by the brand Impulse. It's just a little body spray, and it's a hint of musk. I use this because my mum used to use it, and when I use it, I don't know, I find it quite comforting. So again, this is one that you will every other month probably see in my little Empties video. Yeah, I just find it really, the scent really comforting. We have 2 products that kind of go together. We have a hand sanitizer spray by We Are Paradox, and we have a product by Neom, which is a hand cream. Found them both quite nice, and really happy I've managed to get through one of my hand creams, because again, I have loads and loads of hand creams. Yeah, would definitely use them again. Really nice scent on them both. I've got a body lotion this time. It is a spray body lotion. This has lasted such a long time, oh my god. So yeah, it's by the brand Dove, and it's Restoring Ritual body lotion spray. Coconut, anything coconut scented, I'm there. I love it. It's awesome. This was very, how can I describe it? It's not thick at all. I would have liked it to be a bit thicker. It was a bit of a runny consistency once you sprayed it on the skin. But it was okay to use. I don't think I'll repurchase it, if I'm honest, because, well, one, I've got so many body creams and lotions that I need to get through, but I enjoyed it while I had it. We have this. It's by the brand Liz Hurl, and it is a gentle face exfoliator. Yeah, really enjoyed using this. I kind of, with this one, because of the application where you just squeeze it, I had this in my shower, so twice a week, when I was in the shower, I would use this to exfoliate the skin on my face, obviously, because it's for the face. Yeah, it was really pleasant. and I would use again. Got some no acid pads here by the brand Indeed Laboratories. I've had these such a long time, they've just been sitting in my drawer, and I try to make a conscious effort of getting them out and using them. And it's a gentle alternative to acids. You get 30 pads in here. It was okay, there was nothing special. Towards the end they were very dry. They did dry out a bit, but yeah, it was okay. I have a face mask here. This is by the brand Nivea, and it's a 1-minute urban skin detox mask. I have done a review video on this, I will link that just there. So I don't want to go too much into it because you can go and see that video, but there is still mask left in here. Yeah, go watch that video. I have tried using it a few times after the video, but yeah, go watch it. I have 3 makeup products here. I have this by Ico. It is a mascara. It's their Lash Alert mascara, which I really enjoyed. I love the brush on it, really nice. Next I have this, it's by the brand Bella Paris, and it is a highlighting palette. I have used everything in that bar the middle one. That one is just too dark for my skin tone. I'm quite fair. And yeah, next we have this, it's by Bare Minerals, and it is a concealer. And yeah, I even dug inside of it. That it was okay. I probably wouldn't buy that again. It was expensive when I bought it. I bought it as a treat. Yeah, it wasn't bad. I have another little perfume here. I don't even know who this is by. Harlan Bay. I've got no idea. It's looking very ratty tatty indeed. I can't even remember what it smells like. Let's remind myself. Okay, yeah, it was all right. Oh my god, it's so sticky. I think that castor oil thing's been sticking to it. From what I can smell of it, it is pleasant. Would be happy to receive it and use it again. Next I have this. It is a dermablade razor blade thing. I love using these. It took me a while to get into it, but when I tried it, I don't think I can go back now. I really like it. I love the way my makeup sits on my face after I've used this, and your hair doesn't grow back thicker. It's just because when you're basically shaving, it kind of blunts the hair, so it feels a bit more blunt as it grows through, but it doesn't grow back thicker. But yeah, a couple of body washes here, shower gels. So this is Dove, and it's Deeply Nourishing body wash, and this one is by Bubble Tea, and it's the Lavender Tea body wash. Yeah, love using both. Yeah, just love them. Nothing else much to say about that really. Next I have this. It's by the brand Philip Kingsley, and it is their Elasitizer. Again, I have a review video on this. I will link that just there for you. Make sure to go and check it out. Next I have a mild body scrub by Rituals. Absolutely loved it. This is the Ritual of Jing. Gorgeous scent, and it definitely is a mild body scrub. Wasn't too harsh. Thoroughly enjoyed it. I have this, it's by The Ordinary, and it is their sorbic acid 8% and alpha arbutin 2%. Yeah, it was all right. I don't think I'll go out and buy it again, but it was okay while I used it. I have 2 hair masks. This one was a single use hair mask, this one had multiple. This one is by the brand Aussie, and it's an SOS repair treatment shot. And this one is by Give Me Cosmetics, and it is their argan oil and coconut oil hair mask. I've done a review on both of these. I'll link one of them because I think I'm running out. You can only link 5 videos on a video. I will link one of these up there if I have room. If not, anything that I've done a review on in my video, in the description box I will link all of the review videos there. If you want to go and check them out, please be my guest. But yeah, I won't say anything about them. You'll have to go and check the review videos out. Right guys, so yeah, this is my December's beauty empties. What do you think? Are there any products in there that you use that you also like, or is there any products there that you don't like that I like, or do you agree on some of the ones that I don't like? Did any of that make sense? It did in my head. It really did in my head. I hope it did to you. But yeah, comment down below your thoughts, and yeah, I will see you next month with the January empties. But that concludes this video, so if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.